Hi, can I ask you something? You got the skills, right? Maybe you're an artist, a designer, a maker, a creator of some kind. You've got those ideas flowing, probably more than you know what to do with. But here's where it gets stuck. You have absolutely no clue how to turn those skills and ideas into an actual business, do you? You see others doing it, making a living from their creativity, and you think, yeah, I could do that. But when you start looking into what it actually takes, LLC formations, business plans, marketing strategies, accounting systems, legal requirements, suddenly it feels like you need an MBA just to sell your work. Maybe you've tried following the traditional advice, the step-by-step business guides written by people in suits who've never held a paintbrush or stayed up until 3 a.m. perfecting a design. Yeah? How's that working out for you? Well, here's a secret they don't want you to know. Starting a business isn't actually hard. Running one doesn't have to be overwhelming. And all those rules you think you have to follow, most of them were created by people who needed those specific structures for their specific situations in their specific time period. Yeah. But here's the thing. They established their way as the norm, the only way, the right way. But whose rules are these, really? Did Michelangelo have a business plan when he started sculpting? Did the first blacksmith file for an LLC before making his first horseshoe? Hell, did your grandma need a marketing degree to sell her famous cookies to the whole neighborhood? No. The reality is this. The rules for your business are yet to be written because your business is unique. Your creativity is unique. Your path is unique. All you really need is 3 things: an idea worth pursuing, a means to take action on it, and 100 people who want to buy what you're creating. Yeah, that's it. Everything else? Everything else is just logistics that you figure out as you go. But here's where it gets interesting. What if I told you that business doesn't have to be boring? What if instead of dreading spreadsheets and marketing plans, you could approach your business like the greatest adventure you've ever been on? Yeah. See, I've been creating things people want for over 20 years. I've been called Santa for nerds, making things that people want that they can't get anywhere else. And in all that time, I've discovered something crucial. Business is already a game. It has rules, players, has challenges to overcome, rewards to earn, skills to develop, and levels to advance through. The only difference is that most people are playing it like it's work instead of playing it like it's fun. In a role-playing game, you are the main character. You make choices, you level up your skills, you form alliances, you overcome obstacles, and you create your own story. You don't follow someone else's script, you write your own adventure. So why should business be any different? And that's what Gamify Business is all about. It's about recognizing that you're already the hero of your own story. You just need to stop playing it like an NPC, a non-player character who follows scripts and reacts to other people's decisions. I'm Pape, and I'm going to be your game master on this adventure. Now, what does a game master do? Well, a game master doesn't tell you exactly what to do at every turn. No. Instead, I help create the world. I present the challenges. I give you the tools and knowledge you need, and then I guide you as you make the choices that create your story. I've been running my own creative business for 2 decades. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs level up their business skills without losing their artistic souls. And I've developed a complete system that turns business development into the kind of adventure you actually want to go on. Because here's what I know for certain. You didn't develop your creative skills to spend your life working for someone else's vision. You didn't cultivate your artistic abilities to play it safe and follow conventional paths. No, you're here because you want to create something that matters. You want to build something that's yours. You want to turn your creativity into a life of freedom, purpose, and financial sustainability. So welcome to Tales from the Tavern, and this is where we'll gather to share strategies, overcome challenges, celebrate victories, and support each other on the greatest adventure of all, building a creative business that serves your vision, not someone else's. Every episode, I'll be sharing real strategies, real tools, and real insights from both my own journey and the journeys of the creative entrepreneurs I work with. We'll explore everything from the fundamentals, like understanding your creative archetype and defining your unique value, to advanced strategies for scaling systems and sustainable growth. But most importantly, we'll do it all with one core principle. Business is an adventure. Don't be an NPC. Your quest starts now. Subscribe to join the party, and I'll see you next time here at the tavern, where we'll turn creativity into commerce and adventure into achievement. To our adventure, fellow entrepreneur, may your creativity be boundless and your strategy sound.